Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I will be making sausage and shrimp with green peppers and onions. So I decided to use a green pepper and a yellow pepper. All you see me doing is just cutting up the peppers, and then I'm going to be cutting up the onion. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I like to add a lot of green peppers and onions when I'm making a sausage. So now that I cut everything up, I'm just going to put it to the side, and then you're going to see me cut up the sausage. The sausage that I'm going to be using is the hot smoked sausage. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. So I'm just cutting them into small pieces. Once I was done with that, you're just gonna see I'm gonna add a little oil in the pan and then add the sausage in, and then I'm gonna be putting seasoning on the sausage. Now I'm going to be adding the onions into the pan, and then I'm going to be adding the peppers. Okay, here I just added some red peppers because I like my food to be a little spicy. Okay, so I'm just mixing everything up really well, and then I started making the shrimp. Yes, I did the shrimp in a different pot, and then once it was done, I just added it to the sausage and peppers. Wow, it smells so amazing in here right now. Make sure you guys subscribe to my page so you can get notified when I post more videos like this. Okay, so now that it's done, you're just gonna see I'm gonna make my plate. I made some white rice, so you just see me putting the rice on the plate, and then I'm gonna add the sausage, peppers, and shrimp.